Finally, after a long time coming, place decided the mats on since I got the truck ready for over 2 years. The other ones right here, let me throw these on.
Hit him up if he team locking. I keep a tech when I'm walking. Hands off the way when I'm parking. It's still a Mary for the denim. I bet I send him to heaven. They take advantage if you let them.
What up? I'm gonna film another video for you guys real quick, and in today's video I'm gonna review some floor mats that I received from 3W Liners. So finally, after a long time coming, I'm upgrading the mats on my truck. I've had the mats on since I got the truck ready for over 2 years, and they're the regular OEM carpet mats, so they do get pretty dirty and stuff. As much as I try to keep my truck clean, they always get dirty. So these are all-weather mats, so obviously it makes it easier to clean because, you know, they're rubber. And they sent me 2 different styles, so I'm gonna showcase both styles, and I'm gonna see which ones I like more personally, and then you guys can see if you guys are interested in purchasing these, which goes with your truck and which style you like more. So let's get straight to it. So the first mats he sent us, well, obviously since I have a center console, they gotta send me the ones for the 4-door trucks. So because the single cab mat has like the big old lump, you know, that follows through. So they gotta send me the ones for the 4 doors so it could fit on my trucks and have a center console. So these, in my opinion, they're more for like the people that like to off-road, that live in like, you know, harsher weather condition, that are like that work jobs like construction and that type of stuff. Because it even has a mat for the storage box in the back, the one that goes under the seat. So this is the mat for the back of the seat, this is the mat for the storage box, and this is the mat for the passenger side and the driver's side. So it does have the clips too for the OEM carpet, so it could just snap into place and have the OEM framing on it still. So then these, I kind of like how this has like that little rubber thing right here. This little silver thing makes it pop. It looks pretty cool. And these type of mats are obviously better for people that have families too. Like if you have kids, you know, if you have anyone spilling stuff on your truck, well, it makes it easier to clean. You just dump out whatever gets spilled on the mat, just clean it with a red towel, and it gets fine. So yeah, I feel like these are more for people that, you know, get their trucks a little bit more dirty. So they also sent me these out. So these are the same for the 4-door one. These don't come with the storage box mat, but these, I kind of like the carpet. These are probably the ones I'm gonna run. So it looks nice, you know, it makes it look OEM, it makes it look like a little OEM plus touch to it. So yeah, these are most likely the ones I'm gonna run on my truck. So right now I'm gonna just throw them on and show you guys how they look. Like I said, they do have the clips, and my truck is a single cab, so I mean, you know, you guys are familiar with my truck. It's a single cab. I can't really put a mat in the back. So yeah. But yeah, the inside of these, I mean, they're already pretty dirty. You guys can see it already has stains on them and stuff. So I've had these mats for a while. I try to keep my truck clean. I wash it at least once a week, but I mean, you can't prevent it, you know. And especially at our shop, well, I mean, we're not really in a clean type of job environment sometimes. So sometimes I get in with my feet all dirty, and then where it leaves the stains all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna put both on so you guys can see the fitment on both mats, and then at the end I'm gonna just put the ones that I think go better with my truck. So this is the first style right here. Hey, they actually look pretty sick. I like them because, I mean, it still shows the Ford performance. I've seen some mats where it covers all this completely. Alright, so this is the fitment on the passenger side ones. Obviously I gotta adjust it right here. This is when you get these type of mats, also you guys gotta leave them in the sun. And right now it's pretty cloudy today, there's no sun. I literally just opened the mats. So you guys gotta leave them in the sun so they could, like, you know, easier to move around and stuff, flex and all that. Because obviously when they come packaged up, or they're all rolled up, you know. In my opinion, the ones with the carpet do look a little bit cleaner. But I mean, they're both really good quality. They're both the same material, you know. The ones for the carpet just have that extra touch with the carpet, but it's same design, same everything basically. So these are the other ones right here. Let me throw these on. Yeah, you just snap them into place, snap them back out. There you go. Carpet. In my opinion, these are probably the ones that I'm gonna go with. I like that they don't cover as much. I feel like the other style covers more of the carpet, which is good, you know. Like I said, I feel like those are more for people that actually use your truck for truck stuff. I don't really use my truck for truck stuff. My truck is hardly ever dirty. I always try to keep it clean, because the other ones do cover the carpet up to like here. Like they go under the seat a little bit, and it covers way more up top. So these might be the ones I go with and that I keep on my truck. But like I said, you guys could decide what style you guys like and what style you're gonna go with. So as you can see, these have a little bit more coverage. It goes underneath the seat, and it goes a little bit more higher up. So these are the OEM ones, right? These are the other ones. I feel like these are more for people that actually use the truck stuff. And these are the double layer ones with the carpet. I like these because it makes it look OEM in a way. So yeah, these I feel like they cover more. Like I said, it goes all the way up here under the seat. These obviously is not as much. So I like these, in my opinion, a little bit more. Like I said, if you guys actually use your truck stuff, these are probably the ones you guys should choose. If you guys actually go off-roading in your truck, if you guys work in construction, whatever you may work in. And these are the OEM ones. So I like these because, like I said, I like having carpet in my truck. I feel like it makes it look a little bit cleaner.
Blue dot, stalky, I like my one-ops blue. K with it. Cause I got some black ops too. Walk in, walk out. What the f is all the talk about? I bet I shake up the room. Get straight, passion. A whole lot of passion. Zip him up, bag him.
So overall, I feel like the quality on these is pretty good. For the price, you can't really beat them. They're not expensive as the other competitors in the market. These are for a pretty good price, and they feel pretty good and stuff. The fitment was honestly really good, and especially on the double-sided carpet one. I like that one, and I feel like for a good price. I mean, you get the all-weather mat and you get the carpet mat at the same time, so that one's pretty cool in my opinion. Like I said, that's the one I'm gonna probably rock on my truck. But yeah, you can't really beat the price on them. Like I said, they fit pretty good. These are the other style ones, and yeah, they fit pretty good. So huge shout out to 3W Liners for the mats. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from me. I'm gonna also leave a discount code if you guys do decide to purchase, so all my viewers will get a quick little discount on the mats, you know. But yeah, like I said, for all you 4-door guys, you know, they come with the front and back, so you guys will be set. And then, well, these are the ones with the storage box on them, guys. So these are the ones I'm gonna rock on my truck for now. Look pretty clean. I like the carpet look. So again, thank you to 3W Liners for sending this out. I'm gonna leave all the links down below and the discount code if you guys are interested in purchasing these. Huge shout out to them, and thank you guys for watching. So comment down below which one you guys think will look better on my truck. If I should keep the double-sided layer ones with the carpet, or should I keep the regular all-weather mats on? So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching.